Okay, hi friends. I'm back for fun and exciting stuff called adding and subtracting mixed numbers or fractions that are greater than 1. So this top part 1 through 6, has basically the stuff we have been doing this whole time. Like denominators, the denominator is going to stay the same, and we add the numerators. So I'm only going to do the evens, which is 2, 4, and 6. And you're going to do the odds. And we'll check those in Math Workshop tomorrow. So if I'm just going to add 6 plus 12, I have 18 nines. 18 nines. And we're not going to worry about making it proper. We're just going to leave them improper for right now. Later on, that's going to change. But for right now, all I want you doing is the adding part and the subtracting part. 10 plus 7 is 17 eighths. And 19 take away 7 is going to be 12 tenths. Easy schmeezy, right? Well, don't let the next ones confuse you then. So when we, oh, that's fun. Okay. So don't let these whole number ones mix you up. Do the same thing. You want to add your fractions. 3/5 plus 1/5 is 4/5. And then add your whole number. 2 plus 1 is 3. You're going to try number 8. I'll do number 9. 5 plus 3 is 8 eighths. 3 plus 1 is 4. How else could I write that? I know you're screaming at me, Mrs. Crane, Mrs. Crane. It would be 5. Because 8 eighths is 1, and 1 and 4 is 5. So I would like you to try number 10. And we will discuss it when you come in class tomorrow, so don't stress out. Now, just like addition, we're going to do the subtraction the same way. So 6 take away 3 is 3 eighths. 5 take away 3 is 2. 2 take away 5 is, oh, wait a minute. Can you take 2 from 5? What do? Well, you cannot take 5 from 2, so we have to do something to this mixed number. So we have to take one of the wholes, and we're going to add it to this fraction. So one whole would be 8 eighths, which leaves us with a 5 over here. So 2 plus 8 is now 10 eighths. Now we can subtract. So 10 take away 5 is 5 eighths. And we subtract 5 take away 4 equals 1. Guess what? We have to do it again. So I can't take 3 from 1. So I have to regroup one of these whole numbers. So I'm going to make this a 3. I'm going to add 5 5s because 5/5 is equal to 1 whole. We're going to add the 1 plus 5 is 6/5. Now I can subtract. So 6/5 take away 3/5 is 3/5. 3 take away 1 is 2. We'll do one more. 5 and 1, 6, take away 3, 4, 6. Well, I can't take 4 from 1, so I'm going to regroup one of these whole numbers into 6/6. So now I have 7/6. 7/6 take away 4/6 is 3/6. 4 take away 3 is 1. Now 15, 16, and 17, I want you to look at them, and I want you to try to tell me what it is they did in each problem, and we'll talk about it in the teacher portion of workshop. tomorrow. We'll do Puzzle Penguin in class tomorrow. And the last thing for your lesson tonight is compare and subtract. So the first thing you need to do on these is compare the fractions, and the first place you want to look is at the whole number. So 3 2/5 is greater than 1 4/5. So I think you can do that for all of them, and the subtracting part we will work on together in the teacher section of Math Workshop tomorrow. What I want you to see is that when you're adding and subtracting mixed numbers with like denominators, you just got to remember you have to take into consideration that whole number, and don't forget to add or subtract correctly. So you need to have the comparing done on page 2, whatever this page is, 226, and the ones that I circled on 225. Okay, see you tomorrow.